Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, your trusted destination for honest and detailed vehicle reviews. Today, we are taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda Mini Tractor, a compact yet powerful machine designed to meet the needs of modern farmers and utility workers. This new model continues Honda's legacy of engineering excellence, combining strength, efficiency, and technology in a small but capable package. Whether you are a farmer, landscaper, or just someone who needs a reliable helper for heavy-duty work, the 2026 Honda Mini Tractor aims to deliver the right balance of performance and practicality. The design of the 2026 Honda Mini Tractor is compact and functional, making it easy to maneuver even in narrow fields and tight spaces. It has a modern structure that feels robust yet lightweight, built with strong materials to ensure long life and durability. Honda engineers have focused on reducing unnecessary weight while increasing load strength, which improves both efficiency and ease of use. The tractor comes with a sleek front grille, well-placed headlamps for better visibility, and a balanced wheelbase that gives it excellent stability even when carrying heavy loads. The ergonomic driver's seat and easy-to-reach controls make it comfortable to operate for long working hours. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Honda Mini Tractor stands out in its segment. It is powered by a refined diesel engine that delivers high torque at low RPM, making it ideal for plowing, hauling, and other demanding tasks. The engine capacity may be small in size but is highly efficient, producing enough power to handle multiple attachments such as rotavators, trolleys, and cultivators. The tractor's advanced gearbox offers smooth shifting and a wide range of speeds, ensuring that it can adapt to different terrains and tasks. Whether working on wet soil, dry fields, or hilly ground, it maintains consistent traction and stability thanks to its durable tires and strong axle system. In the mileage department, the 2026 Honda Mini Tractor performs impressively. Honda's focus on fuel efficiency means that users can expect long operational hours with minimal fuel consumption. On average, it delivers excellent mileage under both light and heavy workloads, helping farmers reduce fuel costs without compromising on productivity. The advanced engine technology also ensures low emissions, making it environmentally friendly and compliant with modern emission standards. During load testing, the Honda Mini Tractor proved its worth. It can easily carry heavy weights while maintaining good speed and control. The balanced chassis and powerful transmission help distribute load evenly, preventing slippage and power loss. Even when the tractor is fully loaded, it does not struggle or overheat, thanks to the efficient cooling system. Its compact build allows it to pull or push equipment smoothly, making it suitable for agricultural fields, gardens, and small construction sites. The power check results also show impressive performance figures for a mini tractor. It generates enough pulling power to handle heavy-duty attachments and performs consistently under tough conditions. The hydraulic lifting capacity is strong enough for various tools and implements, providing flexibility for farmers who use multiple types of equipment. The steering system is light yet precise, allowing for easy control even on uneven surfaces. In terms of features, Honda has equipped this mini tractor with all the essentials to make it both practical and comfortable. It includes a digital instrument cluster for monitoring key information like fuel level, engine temperature, and RPM. The safety features include a sturdy braking system, emergency stop controls, and a rollover protection frame. That adds an extra layer of security. The maintenance requirements are low due to Honda's reliable build quality and accessible service parts. Overall, the 2026 Honda Mini Tractor is a dependable machine that combines power, economy, and ease of use. It is ideal for those who need strong performance in a small frame. Its ability to perform under pressure, deliver great mileage, and handle heavy loads makes it one of the best mini tractors in its class. Whether used for farming, gardening, or small-scale transport, it stands as a symbol of Honda's engineering skill and reliability. Thank you for watching this full review on Wheelcraft Studio. If you enjoyed learning about the 2026 Honda Mini Tractor, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and vehicle tests coming your way.